I can tell that you like the baby books from Leslie Patricelli. And so I found three more that I'm going to read to you today. And here they are right here. We're going to read about learning how to go on the potty and getting new teeth. And then finally, no, no, yes, yes. So come with me and we'll discover all of the neat things that the baby is learning and doing today. Let's go. Potty by Leslie Patricelli. I have to go potty. I could go in my diaper. Should I go in my diaper? I don't want to. What does Kitty do? Oh. What does Doggy do? Ruff. Oh. I really have to go. Oh. Mm. Ah. Ee. Should I go in my potty? I could try. Oops. Bye-bye, diaper. Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Oh. Hmm. What's that? Tinkle, tinkle, toot. I did it! Yay! Hooray! Undies. Look at all the beautiful undies. Look at the ones with the stars and the flowers and the puppy and the rainbow. And look, there's a superhero too. So many fun undies. Tooth by Leslie Patricelli. Ouch! My mouth feels funny. Something is happening. Oh, I got a tooth. It's shiny and white, hard and sharp. Uh-oh. Again? Look, two teeth. Now I have four. And soon I'll have even more, just like Mommy and Daddy. Now I can bite, crunch, and chew. Chomp, chomp. My teeth are good for biting food, but not for biting friends. I need to take care of my teeth with toothpaste and a toothbrush. I clean them every morning and every night. Just a little bit of toothpaste. I brush in little circles. Brushy, 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 brushy. Then I rinse. Swish, swish. And I spit. Patooey. Daddy helps me brush even better. Mommy helps me floss. Open wide. All clean. More good things to bite. A cupcake, an apple, broccoli, a cracker, and French fries. More bad things to bite. Dog bone, No, no, no. Fingernail. Ouch. A stick. Crack. Not good for the teeth. Kitty. Oh, no. And toe. Ow. No, no. Yes, yes. By Leslie Patricelli. No, no. No food on your head. Yes, yes. Food goes in your mouth. No, no. Don't draw on the walls or the puppy. Yes, yes. Draw on the paper. No, no. Don't pick your nose. Yes, yes. Blow your nose in the tissue. No, no. Don't eat the pet food. Yes, yes. Eat the banana. No, no. Don't play in the toilet. Yes, yes. Go potty on the toilet. No, no. No bonking on the head. Yes, yes. Bonk with your tool table. No, no. Don't pull Kitty's tail. Yes, yes. Pat the kitty. No, no, no. Don't cut your hair. Yes, yes. Cut the paper. No, no. Don't run away from Daddy. Yes, yes. Hold Daddy's hand. No, no. Don't rip up the book. Yes, yes. Read the book. No, no. Don't put water on the floor. Yes, yes. Keep the water in the tub. More no, no things. Don't pull the toilet paper off like that. No, no, no. No toothpaste on the floor. No, no. Outlets. Ooh, no, no. That will hurt you. Pulling leaves off plants? No, no. Mommy's lipstick. Oh my goodness, on my face? No, no. More yes, yes thing. Wear daddy's hat? Yes, yes. Have a tea set with a friend? Yes, yes. Play on your drum? Yes, yes. Play with blocks? Yes, yes. Hug your blankie? Yes, yes. I hope you enjoyed that baby book. And I just want to let you know, I have a few more by Leslie Patricelli that I'm going to film soon. And so we'll get to see. And one is about getting a big bed. That's a big thing, isn't it? I'll surprise you with the other two. Until then, though, you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.